I took this and transformed it into this, and this. Oh, hold on, I didn't transform it into that because that, of course, is my lunch. Hey there, it's Richard Butler here, Director of Education at PLR.me. Now, people often ask us, how can I make the content you provide my own? Or, if I use your content, won't it be the same as everyone else's? In this video, I'm going to answer those questions and more. But before we get into the video, if this is your first time here, welcome. It's great to see you. Make sure that you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you're the first to know about our free training videos. Okay, I get it. You see a blog post on the site and you think, but all I can do is use this as an article, and then what if everyone else is using it? I mean, it's a great question, but I think you're thinking about things in the wrong way. I mean, taking one article, you can create 2 lead magnets, rewrite the article, and then create it into an infographic style item. You could create social media content, use parts of the article and highlight them as what we call pull quotes or viral quotes. And what about audio? Well, record the audio version and create an affirmation. Now let me give you some background as to how I took an article about affirmations, a very self-help style article, and turned it around completely so it could be used in the teaching English niche. You see, I wanted to show how versatile PLR.me content is and how it could be used across many different niches. As I always tell clients, you know your niche and you know the challenges and problems and concerns that they have. This then makes the whole process easier. So I brainstormed to see what challenges my English clients had and realized that they feel that they don't speak with, well, the right accent, and they may stumble on words, they feel embarrassed, etc. I then found a really interesting article which I thought would be impossible to bring over to the English coaching niche, but I like a challenge and I wanted to show you how diverse our content is and how it can be changed so that it can be used in any niche. Now, affirmations was a difficult topic to bring into the English teaching niche, I thought, but then I thought about my own experiences of learning Spanish. And yes, you do get self-conscious. I still do. And you think you're not as good as you should be. I still feel that. And I thought, hold on, that's the voice in my head saying that. The inner critic. Bingo, I had got my hook. When you feel doubt, then you need to change what you are saying to yourself. And a perfect way of doing that is by changing your internal dialogue and reassuring yourself. After I established this, well, the rest was easy. That one piece of content generated 3 new clients via LinkedIn with absolutely no selling involved. The crucial point is to ask yourself, who are my audience? Where are my audience? What challenges are they facing? What content can I use? And what is the objective of that content? When I was answering these questions, I said, English executives on LinkedIn who fear speaking in public in case they make a mistake or forget a word, who may be interested in learning new strategies or booking a session with me to improve their English. You see how I ran everything together and now have a nice purpose statement for the content. Planning prior to writing is essential to ensure that you create great content that people will want to read and will react to. Now, in the next series of videos, I'm going to show exactly how I created each piece of content. Make sure you subscribe to be notified when the next part of this video series goes live. I'll talk to you very soon. And if you have any questions, of course, just drop a comment below and I will be more than pleased and willing, of course, to answer them. Talk to you in the next video.